Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your basically photos look like it's a disposable camera, I guess, when you don't use the disposable camera itself. Anyways, we're going to just adjust the exposure by placing it at 0.49. That's over, but I don't know, my fingers aren't very tiny. They're very stubby and I can't adjust this correctly. Contrast at +27, and then highlights at +11, shadows at -30, and then whites -7, and then blacks -35. Then for the color, we're just going to adjust the temperature a little bit. And then tint -17. Maybe a little bit more to the left actually. Vibrance +17. And then saturation -26. Okay, go back to curves. And then for the whites, we're just going to kind of put this down a little bit, this one here. Add another dot and kind of bring it up a little. And then add another dot here. Kind of bring it down. Then add another one and then drag this up here. Like that maybe-ish. I'm just gonna bring this down a little bit because it's too bright. Go to reds, add a dot here, add a dot here, and add a dot here. Go to the green color, add a dot here, and another one there, and go to blue, add a dot here, and add another one here and here, and just bring this up bring this up ever so slightly. Go to color grading, and then for the highlights, we're going to do hue at 5. Okay, it's gonna be 6. Saturation at 17. Next is midtones, 33 and 27. And then shadows, 260 and 6. Press done. Then this is not my favorite part, color mix, saturation -20, luminance +15. For the orange one, it's -22, -23. And +71. For yellow, it's -26, -28. And +44. For the green one, it's 0. For cyan, it's -36. For blue, it's -17. For purple, it's -56. For pink, it's 0. Okay, I guess I may change this to this one instead of the red one. I'm gonna assume, yep. Happens all the time. I don't know why. Let me just adjust this real quick. Press done. And then go to the effects section. For texture, it's -10, -32 for the clarity, and then plus 12 for dehaze. Okay, it's gonna be 13. Then we're going to add vignette, minus 19. And then midpoint at 91. Hello. And then roundness minus 76. And then feather 100. Oh my god. And then highlights at 51. Then we're going to go to grain here. Grain at 37. And then size at 35. Roughness 64. And go to detail sharpening at 0. Okay. And that is it for this video. This is the before. This is the after. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!